What's up, guys? This is American in the Philippines, here for another taste test. I've got my girlfriend Mary today. We're going to try these together, see how that goes. Today we're going to do another comparison of similar items. So we're going to find the best spicy nut in the Philippines. Last time I think I did barbecue nuts, so this time we're going to do spicy. We've got 5 different brands, and we're going to taste them and see what we think. So let's get started with a classic. We'll go with Ding Dongs. These are their hot and spicy. Got my knife ready. I'm not just pulling out a knife. Okay.
One of my favorite snacks.
Give it a smell. It smells like very smoky. It does smell a little bit barbecue. Here.
Excited to try it.
Get some.
I usually have this in my work as a pastime if I'm really hungry.
It's good because it's got like vegetables in it. They're all fried vegetables, but at least they're vegetables.
But it's not so spicy.
It's not spicy at all. I mean, it just tastes salted. Maybe a tiny bit of chili powder in here. But
Pinoy thing.
I mean, it's good. It's got the cracker nuts and the peas and corn. Honestly, one of my less favorite Ding Dongs.
Ding Dongs?
I think I like their garlic better, but
I like the orange one.
what would you give it 1 out of 10?
Since I love this, but I probably love the orange one. 8.5.
8.5? I'm going to give this one a 6.7.
6.7.
So we got a differing opinion on this one. But it's okay. Ding Dongs, hot and spicy.
Yeah. I'm a Pinoy, so I love it.
Next, let's try... I guess let's go with another cracker nut. We'll go with the nagaraya, hot and spicy. I've only had the one other barbecue flavor that we had the other day, or I had the other day.
Sometimes have this if we drink beer.
Doesn't smell spicy at all.
Yeah.
It smells kind of like peanut butter a little bit. But they're big. They're giant, like nut-looking things. Here, take a few.
Maybe 2.
Okay. It says it's like having fireworks at your party. These are more spicy, but I wouldn't call them really spicy.
Just a little bit spicy.
There's a little cayenne powder, chili powder in here. It's a little bit, maybe 2 out of 10. Spice.
It's spicier than the Ding Dong.
Yeah,
earlier.
for sure. I mean, they're good. Nagaraya are very like classic cracker nuts.
Yeah.
I would say this is a 7.2 out of 10 for me.
This is 9 for me, especially if I drink.
You like these more than the Ding Dongs?
Yep.
Okay.
But I don't carry this one since it doesn't have like small packets. Ding Dong has small packets.
Yeah, these are more like 30 pesos or something. This was the smallest packet.
These are more expensive.
Okay. So Nagaraya is the leader for the moment. Which one do you want to try next?
Let's do Boy Bawang.
Okay. So, Boy Bawang. Bawang.
Bawang.
Boy Bawang. Does that mean
Still
like
learning.
crazy?
Crazy is Buang.
Buang. This is Bawang.
Bawang. It's what do you call that? Is it like garlic? Bawang.
Is that Tagalog?
Yep.
Okay. I just know ajo is
Ajos in Cebuano.
Okay. I haven't had their spicy one yet. Now that smells spicy. And smells really like smoky and like well
I
cooked.
love this.
Here, take some.
This would be good for with the kids, like just watching a movie or drinking with Coke.
Not that spicy either, a little bit. It does say chili powder.
Well, the first 3 are mostly used for drinking as a sidekick sa beer.
In America, we have pretzels with beer. Like pretzels are plain peanuts. Or honestly anything. I mean, but these do go good.
Pretzels in here are like coated by chocolate.
Yeah. I've noticed Boy Bawang has a lot of new flavors. Someone told me to get their cheese, but I can't find cheese. I found chili cheese.
I
don't
think
know
it's hard to find
the cheese
the
flavor.
cheese flavor.
They said it tastes like blue cheese, and I'm like, I love blue cheese, but
The funky one?
I've only found chili garlic, which I want to try because it sounds like good. What do you think of these?
I want beer.
1 out of 10?
1 out of 10. I think this will be my top at 9. Since it's easier to eat than having like a lot of nuts in there.
You said the nagaraya was a 9.
Oh, it's the same.
It's the same? Okay.
Same. Yeah.
I would say these are very close to the nagaraya. I mean, they're both good. This is a 9.5 for me, maybe, or I'm sorry, 7.5.
7.5.
7.5 for me.
You have a lower rate.
I've eaten a lot of snacks. 7.5, yeah. So this is the best probably so far. I do like the smoky smell that it has. Like, see, it smells like a fire almost.
Yeah. There's fire on it.
And then I just wish they all had more flavoring, I think. So boy bawang.
Boy bawang.
Okay. Next we'll try the hi-ho crunchy sweet chili or soup. Yeah, sweet chili. Some of the nut brands didn't have a specific hot, but this is their hot type. I think we've tried these before, but they're good, so we're gonna try them
I
again.
haven't tried hi-ho.
These actually smell like chili,
Oh, yeah.
and they're another classic cracker nut.
Like nagaraya. Pero dili na siya typical ha sa Pinoy kaning hi-ho. Mostly boy bawang, ding dong, and nagaraya are the popular ones.
But I always see hi-ho at the sorry.
It's just more expensive.
This one's only 15.
Oh,
It's smaller. This one's definitely sweet. It's about as spicy as the other ones, to be honest.
for me this is, I think, out of the other snacks that we tasted, this is the sweetest.
For sure. It's good. I think I might like the Boy Bawang better. So I'd give these like a 7.4. Just slightly down. It is sweet. I haven't found anything spicy. I've even got ghost pepper chips one time here, and it tasted like jalapenos. Like it was like a 3 out of 10 spicy. And ghost pepper should be like 9 out of 10.
I think only like very old people does like spicy ones.
That's why I always eat like 10 Sealy when we go to the Carinderia.
And I think Americans, well, no, like Pinoys that I know doesn't really like chili that much.
Yeah.
Maybe a little spicy.
We even went to the market yesterday and I bought the biggest bag of Sealy they had. And the lady was like, "What?"
You got a lot of chilies, huh?
Did you rate this one?
That's it. This is like, for me though, I'm still eating it because I want to taste it more. It's around 8 for me.
8? Okay.
Because I don't like this to eat because it's too sweet.
Yeah. It's okay. I like it. So that one's, so Boy Bawang is in first place so far. Last one we have is the Happy brand. Happy makes a lot of just straight peanuts. This is the first straight nut brand. Our favorite is the coffee ones they have.
Yeah. Coffee coated.
Yeah. This actually has a tear.
Siya rin nag-introduce na akong coffee. Pero usually, ang ginakaon nga peanuts, katurang blue.
The blue garlic.
Blue garlic. Yeah, most of the time.
I got a pack of those for our trip.
Ang laag, may mga laag.
Smell it.
Excited kay mukaon, no? Excited kay mukaon. The spiciest one that I tasted right now was the nagaraya. This is the second one.
It's not, maybe it's because we've had all the ones in between.
Probably.
But I don't taste too much spice on this. They're good. I like the Happy Peanuts just because I love peanuts. Do I love it more than? Let's try it next to the boy bawang. Try the boy bawang.
Nah.
Which one do you like more?
I like the boy bawang.
Okay.
Nah.
I think I like it too. Ooh, there's a piece of garlic.
Maybe because it's much easier to chew on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like puffed corn. I still like the Happy. Maybe I'll give it an 8.3. Is that? No, that's my highest. Maybe
No.
I'll tie it with Boy Bawang. Maybe a 7.4, 7.5. What about you? What would you rate the Happy?
This is 8.5 for me.
Okay.
I still like the blue one.
Okay.
The garlic one.
So our two top winners today are the Happy chili garlic and the Boy Bawang hot garlic flavor.
Cheers.
So if you haven't tried these guys, try them. We're still trying to find some more spicy stuff, but these were the spicy nut varieties we could find today. So hope you liked it, guys. We'll see you later.
As you can see, I'm
You're
sweating.
Yeah. Okay. Bye, guys.